From Neural Newscast, I'm Evelyn Hartwell.
And I'm Frederick Moore.
Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will attend oral arguments at the Supreme Court this Wednesday. He plans to observe a case challenging President Trump's power to fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook.
President Trump dismissed Cook in late August. He cited claims of mortgage fraud involving 2 homes she owns. Cook denies any wrongdoing and has not been charged with a crime.
This attendance is highly unusual. It signals the gravity of the legal threat to central bank independence. Powell himself is currently under investigation by the U.S. Attorney's Office in Washington.
That probe involves a multi-billion-dollar renovation of the central bank headquarters and Powell's previous congressional testimony. Powell calls the investigation a pretext for his refusal to lower interest rates.
The Department of Justice argues that lower court orders are an improper interference with executive power. They claim the president has the authority to remove Federal Reserve Board members for cause.
Powell countered this in a public statement released earlier this month. He stated that criminal threats are a consequence of setting rates based on data rather than politics.
In other news, President Trump is set to attend the World Economic Forum in Davos for the first time since 2020. He is bringing the largest U.S. delegation in the history of the event.
The delegation includes Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. They arrive amidst a major diplomatic dispute between the United States and Denmark.
Danish representatives are skipping the summit after Trump announced new tariffs on European nations. These tariffs specifically target countries resisting his attempt to purchase the island of Greenland.
UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer has not confirmed his attendance after the latest tariff escalations. Starmer held an emergency press conference this week to address the economic impact on Britain.
The World Economic Forum is also adjusting its leadership after the departure of founder Klaus Schwab. Interim co-chairs from BlackRock and Roche are now steering the organization toward a renewed economic focus.
Several other world leaders are also absent from the 2026 attendance list. Chinese President Xi Jinping and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will not attend the forum this year.
Next, Microsoft is preparing to expand access to its cloud gaming service for players without a subscription. New reports suggest the company will offer game streams supported by advertising.
Currently, the service is limited to players who pay for a monthly Game Pass subscription. This shift would allow users to access premium titles in exchange for watching commercials.
Industry analysts see this as a way to diversify revenue while the gaming market faces slowing hardware sales. Microsoft has not yet announced a specific launch date for the ad-supported tier.
I'm Evelyn Hartwell.
And I'm Frederick Moore. For more on these stories, visit our website. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.